Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've ever encountered the frustrating dependency service or group failed to start error on your Windows machine, you're not alone. This issue can prevent your system from starting up properly or cause certain services to fail. In this video, we'll walk you through some practical steps to fix this error so you can get your system back to running smoothly. Let's dive right in.
This time, I won't hide to break apart. Don't tell me why we can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. I've been seeing farther in dark skies. Bringing me for violence, not for time. Follow my heart, can't deny. Show you how I stay apart. Ghosts in the night don't justify the love we lost, the love we hide. Don't you feel it? Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn.
That's it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the dependency service or group failed to start error on your Windows device. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.